My name is Dr. Sharon Velasquez. I'm a family practice physician, and I'm the Associate Chief Medical Officer for San Ysidro Health Center in San Diego, California. We often see patients who walk in to the clinic, and so it was a young man in his late 20s, I believe, or early 30s, who came in with a chief complaint of abdominal pain. And as I saw him, he had actually been to a few other clinics, but hadn't really gotten better. And so he was continuing to have pretty severe abdominal pain. And so when I examined him, I pushed on his abdomen, and it was quite hard. And he looked really pale and just didn't look quite right. And so one of the tests that we can do immediately in our clinic is a finger stick hemoglobin. And so I ran a hemoglobin, and his hemoglobin was about 7. And so I just was really concerned that something wasn't right. I initially had planned to order a CT of his abdomen on an urgent outpatient basis, but at that point went ahead and just sent him into the emergency room. And he had a CT scan in the abdomen that showed metastatic pancreatic cancer, which was obviously a devastating diagnosis. He was married with a couple of young children. And that actually was the only interaction I ever had with him. I continued to receive reports back from the hospital because I had sent him into the emergency room. And he did get connected to the palliative care team at the hospital, and ended up living for several months after that. And then just recently, an extended family member came back to me and told me how much they had appreciated that I had taken care of him. And I kind of felt like, I really didn't do very much to take care of him. I just did his initial assessment and sent him into the ER. But they felt like he ended up having many more months to live than they initially anticipated, and that had given him time to plan with his wife and to plan with his children and to really have time to say goodbye. And that had made a big difference in the end of his life, even though it was cut short at such an early age. I am Dr. Sharon Velasquez, and I am California Health Plus.